In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change buckets in Microsoft Planner. When people talk about changing buckets in Planner, they usually mean one of three things: moving a task into a different bucket, reordering the bucket columns, or renaming a bucket so it better matches your workflow. I will walk you through all of that in a clear, practical way. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser and go to the plan you want to work in. Once your plan loads, make sure you are looking at the board view, where buckets appear as vertical columns across the page. This view makes it much easier to organize tasks and adjust your bucket layout. To move a task to a different bucket, you have two reliable options. The quickest method is drag and drop. Click and hold the task card, then drag it across to the bucket column where you want it to live, and release your mouse. If you prefer a more exact method, open the task by clicking it. In the task details, find the bucket drop-down menu. Select the new bucket name, and Planner will immediately move that task into the chosen bucket for you. Next, let us reorder the buckets themselves. If you want to adjust the sequence of your workflow, click and hold the bucket title at the top of a column, then drag it left or right until it is in the position you want. If you do not want to drag, use the bucket menu instead. Click the three dots next to the bucket name to open the options, then choose Move Right or Move Left. You can repeat this as many times as needed to place the bucket exactly where you want it. Now, to rename a bucket, click directly on the bucket name at the top of the column, type the new name, then press Enter to save it. A clear bucket name helps everyone on the plan understand what each stage or category means. Finally, if you need to add a new bucket, scroll to the far right of your existing buckets and click Add New Bucket. If that option is not visible, check that your view is grouped by buckets, so the board is showing bucket columns. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.